has on the board. Synonyms can help us avoiding repetition. Good. Precision and nuance. Good. Building vocabulary and improving writing style. Good. Now we are going to move on to our antonyms. Let's read for my antonym slide. Someone that I've not heard from is yet. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. They create contrast and emphasis in our writing and speech, making our message more impactful. Good job. So for our explanation in our notes, we are only going to write our first sentence. That is the most important part that we need to know. Represent points on a spectrum. For example, hot or cold, big or small. Those are gradable or measurable. Next, we have our complementary antonyms. These ones are mutually exclusive opposites. For example, dead or alive, on or off. And finally, we have our relational antonyms. These define opposite roles in a relationship. For example, teacher versus student, buy versus sell. then we can move on with our lesson. Go ahead, Tom.
Clarity, drops, emphasis,
Good job. Alrighty, so now we are going to do a think creation activity. Everyone should have a pair since we are in groups of 4. If there is a group of 3, we can do the assignment together as one. We are going to write the answers in our books, and then we will discuss them. So what we are going to do, we are going to read each sentence. Each sentence has 2 bolded words. In our pairs, we are going to decide whether those 2 words that are bolded are synonyms or antonyms. So in your books, when you're writing your answers, you're not writing the sentence, you're only going to write the letter S or the letter A next to the number. So first you are going to think on it individually by yourself. Think on the answers by yourself before you talk to your pair and discuss them with your pair. There are only 6, so we should be able to complete this activity in 5